My husband was looking for a camera case to carry his equipment in. He's super picky about his camera and everything, so he was looking for a really good case. He found this Pelican 1525. It's called the Pelican Air. I can tell you what he likes about it. There were several different things, so I thought if you're looking for a case, I can review and give you what he's told me about it. But he likes this case is super hard, so like if you had your stuff in here and you throw it, it's a plastic, but it's like super hard. Very, very durable. When you go to open it on the front, it has these super heavy duty locks. I mean, they're like pretty, I don't know, very firm, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And when you open it, it comes with foam on the inside. I think you can buy it without it, but since he has camera equipment, he always wants the foam, which if you didn't want it, it comes out. You can just, it's just, you know, put in here so you can take it out. But he's had it for a while now. The reason he likes it is the fact that it's crush proof. So it's just like if you were traveling on an airline and they throw it, it's just not going to get crushed. It's also dust proof, which is a big issue with him and camera equipment because you don't want any kind of dust. And it's also waterproof. It has like an O-ring in it to keep water out. But he's had this one for a couple years, and then when you go to seal it, and you push hard to click it. It's also TSA approved, so they can unlock it without, you know, any kind of special key or anything. But all I can say is Pelican, sometimes you pay a little bit more, but you get what you pay for. Every case he owns is a Pelican. He absolutely loves this case, uses it all the time, and I just can't recommend it enough if you're thinking about getting one. It's a very good one.